What's up, y'all? It's Kiki.
Right.
And we are still on Carnival Celebration, you guys. It's time for dinner. Our first dinner on board, and we are going to try a specialty dining restaurant. So, what restaurant are we trying?
Rudi's Seafood Grill.
Rudi's Seagrill here on the Carnival Celebration. So, like I said, it is a specialty dining restaurant, so it does come at an additional cost, but it's seafood. And y'all know, when seafood is involved, I gotta do it. So, let's check it out. Let's go see what we got. RJ has spotted something that he likes. What is it, RJ? What?
Calamari.
They do have calamari. Okay, so like we were saying, this is a specialty dining restaurant, so you pay an upcharge to come here. There are quite a bit of rules here. So with your cost, $48, you get one starter, you get one super salad, you get one entree, one grill item, and you get one dessert. If you choose to not get a super salad, you can get 2 starters instead. We got RJ the kids menu. We paid the kids price for RJ. It is lower than the adults price. That means he gets the kids menu. He can only order from the kids menu. He wanted calamari. You cannot get calamari on the kids menu. That means he couldn't get it. That means I had to make one of my starters calamari for him to get it. He couldn't get chocolate cake because that's not a kids menu dessert. So Ray had to get chocolate cake for him to get it. So just keep that in mind if you come here with kids. Make sure once you see that kids menu, either be willing, if they want something that's not on the kids menu, be willing to share that item with them, or be willing to pay the upcharge to pay the dough price for them. Any first impressions of the Carnival Celebration or of Rudi Seagrill?
The Carnival Celebration is very beautiful. It's very bright and vibrant.
It is.
Rudi's Seagrill. Seafood?
Seagrill.
Seagrill. Very intimate. Very intimate setting. They have it's very low lit, but not like I need a flashlight to eat my food, but it's very low lit. And it's but it's has very neutral colors. I like the neutral colors. I like the blues, like stuff like this thing right here.
What, a candle holder?
Yep. So we'll see. We're getting our food pretty soon. I have the lobster mac and cheese and a couple of other things. So
are we though?
We'll see.
I'm messing with you.
Our chef, Thai fried shrimp with Thai curry.
What is it again?
Fried shrimp with Thai pasta with Thai curry aioli on the side.
Oh, okay. That's a shrimp, RJ. The calamari looks really good. I'll have to try it. I have this shrimp. I don't know what this is on top, but there's shrimp under there somewhere. Let me see if I can get some light for y'all. There we go. Shrimp under there. Ray got lobster mac and cheese. And we got some bread and some kind of little shrimp. What is that on the outside of the shrimp, Ray?
It's like potatoes.
Oh, okay. That's the calamari. Looks pretty good. Have some sauce. You don't like lemon on your calamari?
Have you tried this yet?
So what I got is the grilled colossal shrimp. This is don't know if this is charred. I have no idea what this thing is. What is this?
Yeah.
So this is a langoustine poppy seed wafer, and it's good with this sauce. They said. Do you remember what kind of sauce they said this was? I don't either. It's not.
Oh, y'all, she got that look on her face.
Oh, that's good. I do like it. I don't know if that's it kind of tastes like that might be the same sauce as on the shrimp.
Oh, okay.
This is the shrimp. I like it. So the sauce almost tastes like a cocktail sauce with like a little bit of barbecue sauce in it, maybe. It's like a mix. But then I can taste the lemon in it too. It's very good. I like it. I am a fan of this one. How is the lobster mac and cheese?
Very good.
Is it?
It's very good.
Is it? Okay, good. What does it taste like?
Lobster mac and cheese. It's fresh, seasoned well, not tough, not overcooked. It's very good. It's very good. And I like eating shrimp tails.
Weird. As you can see, the calamari was well received.
So we have lobster bisque soup.
He has the soup.
Yeah, you do it.
He already has the soup. Look at that.
Whoa. Okay, hold on.
And mommy has the soup. Look
I
at
do. Oh my god. Okay.
that. The food's gonna come out really soon. So we're just gonna wait for that. Bye.
All right, y'all. So we had we are having the lobster bisque. It is very, very rich, very, very good. The presentation was amazing, and I don't know. It's fresh. It's good. What do you think? What do you think about the soup?
This is delicious. It has lobster chunks in it. I mean, who can argue with that?
And so, y'all, look at this. Look around the bowl.
It's like these little sprigs of something.
Right.
Maybe parsley. And I don't know what the white stuff is.
I just pushed it into the bowl.
Potato, parsnip, I don't know.
It looks
I don't
good.
know. Ray just pushed these in the bowl. I don't push nothing in my food. I don't know what it is. It's more dairy than I am.
I eat shrimp tails, so you know. All right, Key, what we got going here?
Crab stuffed lobster tail.
Okay, let's look at that.
Good. That's lobster there. I can see the crab stuffing here. We got a few baked carrots. This looks like maybe an artichoke. Excuse me, artichoke or onion maybe. I don't know. It's like some kind of puree. Berry puree. Let me see. Let's see how good my palate is. I think that might be artichoke. I'm not sure what that puree is. Any sweet potato? It don't taste like sweet potato. It looks like sweet potato, but it don't taste like sweet potato. I don't know.
Okay, everyone, so I had the grilled colossal shrimp. It came with 4. As you can see, I've already eaten 2. They come with these small baby roasted potatoes and lemon, and I guess would that be considered like drawn butter, King?
I guess.
Whatever it is, it's good. It's really good. I'm enjoying every bit of it. As you can see, 'cause the first 2 are gone. And so they give you the whole shrimp and they split it open and then you just gotta go from there. Very good. Very, very good. All right, let's go. How would you rate your lobster tails, Key?
I rated 0 to 6. Tired, y'all. Can y'all see my eyes crossing? I feel them crossing. See it crossing?
What are you looking at?
I don't know. I don't know. Yo, in my case, it is a long day. I have no idea why we did this. Yes, I do. I know exactly why I booked this today. You know why? Because when you do specialty dining on day 1, you get free wine. I always knew you could do it at the steakhouse. I wanted to test the theory that you could do it at these other specialty dining restaurants, and you can. We got a free bottle of wine. I can't drink it. I'm full. I don't want none. And they made me, well, not made me, but they have to open it for you. They won't let you just take the bottle of wine open. They have to open it at the table for you. But we have the bottle of wine. It's open. I've drank none of it because I had a margarita. So I can take my bottle of wine back to my room already open, and I have it the rest of my cruise. Go get your free bottle of wine. If they don't offer it to you, ask for it. I know they do it at the steakhouse. I now know they do it at Rudi's Grill too. But I'm tired.
Hey, RJ. Tell about how you like your chicken strips. Or have you started to try your chicken strips, RJ?
Any plans after this?
Yeah.
Companies later.
What's wrong with them?
I think that was sleep in tomorrow.
Just a taste.
What's wrong with the taste? It's because they're fresh? Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we're going to get out of this. Okay, hold on. So, let me show you what RJ's chicken strips. Well, they were whole. They did look like chicken strips. I mean, RJ, watch your hands. They did look like mozzarella sticks at first, but I cut them up so they could cool out.
I was so busy talking about the free wine. I didn't tell y'all. These lobster tails ain't good, y'all. Now, this crab stuffing is pretty good. It tastes fresh. It tastes seasoned. But the actual lobster tails, I can look at it and see there ain't no seasoning on it. Then I taste it and confirm that there ain't no seasoning on it. And it's kind of tough. Like, they cooked it a little too long. It's real chewy. Like, don't be messing up lobster tails. But, like, don't do it. How you do that?
Okay, y'all, she going back in for a second round.
Try the second one to see if it's more tasty.
That mother wasn't even cooked.
I told you this. Look at this thing. As white as this tablecloth. I left my spice addicts at home.
Say it loud.
I left my spice addicts at home.
We left spice addicts at home.
Bruh, right. My system is exactly right. I'm about to like push it down in this lemon. See if I
And we go.
You might have to cut it and save some battery while I chew this thing.
Survey says.
5 minutes later.
I'm still chewing.
Pleasure serving you guys. It's a pleasure serving you, Reese family, tonight here to do the Seagrill. And we cannot wait for more.
Yes, so we had Patrick and Jenny here at Rudi Seagrill, and they were amazing. So if you come to Rudi Seagrill, make sure you get Patrick and Jenny. Thank you so much. Yes, absolutely excellent service, you guys. Enjoy your cruise, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.